Are you tired of feeling like you're just going through the motions? Do you wish you had more clarity, purpose, and impact in your daily life? What if there was an unseen power within you just waiting to be tapped into? A power that could help you live with greater intention, achieve your goals with less effort, and experience more genuine joy? In today's video, we will dive deep into the often overlooked yet profoundly transformative practice of being intentional. Most people drift through life, reacting to circumstances as they arise. They wake up, check their phones, respond to emails, and find themselves swept up in a current of busyness without a clear sense of direction. When you're intentional with your relationships, you make a conscious effort to nurture the connections that matter most to you. Being intentional requires a high degree of self-awareness and introspection. As you start to tune into your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you'll gain a deeper understanding of yourself and what truly matters to you. This can lead to significant personal growth and self-discovery. In a world filled with distractions, being intentional with your time and attention can help you stay focused and productive. By setting clear goals and priorities, ask yourself what you want to achieve in the short and long term and make a plan to reach those goals. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. It starts with a single step, a conscious choice to be intentional. So take that first step today and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What's one area you want to be more intentional in? And if you found value in this video, don't miss out on future insights. Subscribe now and join us in creating a life that reflects our deepest values and aspirations. Take time each day to tune into your thoughts and emotions and consider how your actions are aligned with your values and goals. Make conscious choices. Every day, every interaction is an opportunity to practice intentionality. Choose wisely and align your actions with your values and goals. You're able to eliminate distractions and channel your energy into what matters most, whether it's work, fitness, or personal projects. You set aside time for loved ones, communicate openly and honestly, and show up for them in both good times and bad. This leads to deeper, more meaningful connections and a stronger support system. Being intentional is not about adding more to your already packed schedule. It's about shifting your mindset from one of mindless compliance to one of proactive creation. Imagine your life as a canvas, and each day as a stroke of the paintbrush. When you're not intentional, you're letting others decide the colors, and the masterpiece ends up looking like an abstract mess. But when you embrace intentionality, you become the artist of your own life. You choose which experiences to invest in, which relationships to nurture, and which dreams to pursue. One of the biggest benefits of being intentional is that it can help you reduce feelings of overwhelm and stress. When you're intentional, you're in control of your life and decisions, rather than feeling like a helpless victim of circumstance. This newfound sense of control can bring peace and calm, even in the midst of a chaotic world. Here are just a few ways that being intentional can benefit you. Deeper, more meaningful relationships, increased focus and productivity, reduced overwhelm and stress, greater self-awareness and personal growth. So how do you begin the journey of becoming more intentional? Start by setting clear goals and priorities. Remember, the power to create the life you truly desire is within you.